Hello all, yo, how have you been? Welcome to today's session. In today, I'll be showing you how to use GPT Letters to generate an AI-powered letter. Let's first look at what GPT Letters is. So GPT Letters, this is what it says on the landing page. Say more with less effort. Yeah, so it simplifies the letter generation platform for you. You can collaborate on letters with your clients or users of your platform. So let's get started with the free trial. So they have a really simple layout. I have logged in, so I had no need to log in again. So they have a really good layout, a light mode and a dark mode. I really like dark mode, so let's go with dark mode. The home page, it shows an overview of how many letters you've generated, the number of saved letters, the letters not saved, and you can view the history of all your letters. Then I think this is a section for saved letters, and they give you tips on letters, on writing letters and stuff. So I have been reading about them, and so far they major in 10 types of letters. There's personal letter, cover letter, resignation letter, recommendation, complaint, termination, sales letter, a newsletter, memorandum of understanding, and finally a non-disclosure agreement. So what is happening at their homepage? Let's see. They had used an example of an NDA, so let's go with something different. Let's write a recommendation letter. Let's recommend Pavin Crypto. Job title: CEO of Tesla. No, I'm not trying to take Elon's job. My email: example@gmail.com. Position: definitely CEO Tesla. My achievements: I have done some work. Let's just write some random stuff. My qualification: BSc Comp Science, ETC experience. I have worked in a lot of places. And then we finally generate the letter. Let's have a look. It's loading, and it's here. Let's see. They have a really wonderful platform. Dear recipient's name: I write this letter to heartily recommend Pavin Crypto for any opportunities that fit his qualification. Pavin worked as the CEO of Tesla and is experienced in many different aspects. They boast that you can collaborate with someone. Brand boost 254. And we send the invite. So I think it is sent. Then we can save it as, who are we addressing the letter to? Mr. Elon Musk. Not sure if that's the right spelling of his name. Really sorry. Regarding position of CEO, or is he doctor? Let's just call him all, and we save. We close and we close. So it has saved. And since I had generated some other letters, it has brought them and saved them. So in total I have generated 14 letters and saved 6 I didn't save. Let's look at something else. They have like a chat platform. Let's see the message center. Okay, let's look at hello, how you been? And we send. So it has sent. Let's generate a memorandum of understanding. What is involved? And they have said they add letters regularly, so that is something to watch out for. Let us write a MOU between, let's say, myself, Kipto Pavin, and Pavin Kipto. Terms of the memorandum, let's write whatever. But let's just leave. Let's let it be creative and see. Yeah, so it has created an MOU between Kipto Pavin and Pavin Kipto. Let's save it. I think they have a translation mechanism. You can translate it to another language. I think we need to look at that. Letter 2. There. Kipto Pavin. Position of or regarding. This is MOU or what is it about? Anything. And we save. Done. Let's go back to our saved letters. And we have it over here. Awesome. Wow. So let's have a look at some other aspects about writing prompts. What is it has given us 10 tips to write prompts. Try to come up with creative and imaginative ideas to spark your writing. Strive to write unique and relatable stories when writing prompts. Wow. And you can like it over there and close it. Let's see tips for writing love letters. What are those? Let's see. Let us have a look. Yeah. Other 10 tips for writing love letters. Wow. Make sure to use proper. Okay. Do they have any other Easter bunnies? Let us look. You can edit your profile over here. You can log out. Wow, so there we have it. That was a tour of GPT Letters. Have a great day, guys.